To see a 3-inch long, 3/4 inch cutter slay through that much titanium that fast was mind-blowing. I knew right then and there that these tools are what we needed for the job. My name is Kenny Urban. I'm the machine shop supervisor here at Meyer Tool Manufacturing. We machine a lot of different materials, anything from Hassel, Inconel, stainless, aluminum. Our motto is actually we build the impossible, which kind of brings us to this titanium job that we're working on now. We've machined titanium before, but never to the level of this. It's always been kind of smaller parts. We knew that, we had to tap some titanium or Inconel or something like that. Our go-to would always be EMUGE. A few months ago, my product application specialist, Kurt, we were talking about this titanium job, and he was explaining that EMUGE has a great lineup of titanium type tools, or Tinox. When I reached out to Dan Doran over at EMUGE, he had given me the recommended feeds and speeds for the Tinox or cordial. I didn't believe him at first, but I went by their specs and I was blown away. As far as support from EMUGE, bar none, it's amazing. Anytime I have any issues with application or questions on how to use a certain tool, or even what tool to pick for the job, I just reach out to technical support with EMUGE and they get back to me within an hour. They have been excellent. As a matter of fact, I don't think that the current titanium job that I'm doing now would have been as efficient as it has been had I not had the support from EMUGE Tech.